Yo, what's up? This is Experimenter, and we're here to experiment with chocolate bars with a microwave. So far, we have Butterfingers, Green Cream from Aldi's, and Babe Ruth's. Dream Cream, Babe Ruth's, and Butterfinger. Over there's the microwave. Do not ever do this at home, okay? So we're gonna open the microwave. And yes, it's one of those circulars, and man, it smells like garlic right now. And we're gonna put it in for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And I'll try to shorten this or try to make a little improvement. But so far, these are how the candy bars are doing. All the way over there by itself is the Butterfinger, but everything else is foaming up. Look at that. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Man, it smells like. Damn. Never do this. This is my first time doing this. It's so steaming. Look at that. Look at that. That's kind of disgusting, but yeah, it tastes pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little fork. We'll try it out. Okay, I can't find a little fork, so let's try. And I'm not even sure what this one is. I think this here is the creamy. Damn. Plus at the beginning they were frozen. Oh man. Okay, now let's try the Baby Ruths. They have peanuts inside. So. Not that good, but. If you like peanuts, this would be best, right? Now it's the Butterfinger. Whoa. Yeah, no. Damn. Man, that's good. That's good. Wow. Sorry about the background, guys, but right now I'm watching TV too. Avengers time. Yeah. Yep. Those were great, but the Babe Ruths, not so great. But if you're a peanut guy, that would be great for you. But the cream ones, that has the little filling inside, almost like a Three Musketeers. Those are the big ones. If you stack all of them together, okay, so far it's moving a little bit. Bobbing. But They were pretty good. Same thing with the Barfinger. Barfinger, they'll just stay together. But put it a little longer. Wow. Yep, that's got stuck a little bit. So, comment, subscribe underneath, and give me some ideas, and let's see how we do.